You don't have to be an ad purpose to become rich. You need to have a regular job and maybe a side hustle and a side business. Grow your income and then invest and keep on investing. So, Brother Bo, talaga sa stock market, pwede yung between 7% to 10% a year growth interest? Yes! I'm going to show it to you now. Are you ready? Say I'm ready.
I'm ready.
Everybody say stock market.
Stock market.
Before I give you the good news, I need to give you the bad news. Ask me what?
What?
It's a complete sentence. What bad news?
What?
85% of people who put their money in the stock market, they lose their money. Ay, brother ko, ayoko na, uwi na ako. Do you know why? Ask me why. Because there are two ways of doing the stock market. Short-term traders, long-term investors. Ano yung short-term trader? You buy now, you sell tomorrow. You buy now, you sell next week. Ang long-term investor, hindi ganun. You buy now, and then maybe 6 months from now, 1 year from now, 2 years from now, you sell. Am I making sense? 5 years from now, you sell. It's long-term, or you never sell. Long-term investor. And I want you to know that most of the losers, most of the 85% are short-term traders. So pakisabi sa katabi mo, makikurot yan. Kasi kailangan magising siya. Kurutin mo, sabihin mo sa kanya, long-term tayo. To be part of the 15%, you have to be long-term. 15% who earns money, you have to be long-term. Gina and Wayne are my house managers, and they've been working for me for many, many years. And their story is fascinating.